choice do you have? When you see something you can't possibly explain, you dismiss it, right?
Just keeps beeping. It's not showing any charge. If I disconnect it and put the other one on, the old charger on it will come back again. This is with our old charger on again now. Beeping stopped. But as you can see, that one's pretty well buggered. It's frayed and everything. So beeping stops. Don't know how to do this, so I can unplug it again. Find another power source. Yeah. Plug this one back in again. See, so as soon as you plug yours back in, it goes dead. Can't do it one-handed, but I'll try. Plug this one back in and it goes away. So obviously it's your power source isn't working. Please replace it or refund.